guys, welcome back to the Cocco channel and to another tutorial palette video. By popular demand, I don't know how and why, but my Too Faced Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice collection review video took off a little bit, and so the most popular comment on that video was people are having issues trying to figure out what kind of looks to come up with. Even though it's broken into quads, I can kind of see where it would be somewhat troublesome. If I'm being honest, there's only one good transition shade that's light enough to be a transition shade, and it's this cool tone pink. Why are you being so crazy? Which is called Love and Pumpkin. So I can see where if you really wanted to do a warm tone, it's a little bit difficult. I am going to do a warm tone look today since the last one I did was a cool tone. So if you have no interest in the Too Faced palette and you're like, Brittany, we've already seen this, I get it. But it was really recommended. It was requested quite a bit on that video. So I am gonna do it to please the people. So like I said, I'm gonna do a warm look, and I'm gonna jump right in with the color Pretty as a Pumpkin. And I know it's a little bit intense. In fact, it's a little bit too intense for that brush. But what I'm gonna do is start off with a really fluffy brush, and that way I can get it really, really light. And then I'm gonna use the same color to deepen up. See how it's a little bit light. I did prime my eyes with a Naked concealer. I used Naked concealer on my face today, and I don't know why. I hate that concealer because it creases like a mofo. Anyways, this is a Morphe E23, and I just love it because it's huge for specifically this kind of technique. I don't have a lot of real estate on my eyelid, so I wouldn't go in with a specific color. In fact, most of the time I use this brush either for this technique of blowing out a color so it's not as intense, or actually setting my eyes because it is so big. So I'm just really going to put that through my crease and spend a lot of time blending it out so that way it serves its purpose. I was talking to you guys last time in this Too Faced video about how I definitely get more pigment on one eye than the other. So I'm just going to be very light on this side because this side is the one that picks up more pigment for sure. You guys seem to really, really enjoy the pink look, so I am excited to do a warm look. So I'm going to take a Morphe M441. This is, like I said in that video, definitely one of my favorite transition. One of my favorite fluffy brushes. Yeah, transition shade brushes. So see how on a smaller and more pointed brush with the same exact color, it's definitely more intense. But because I blew it out first, it doesn't look as harsh. I just went straight in and put orange on my eyelid. So you can kind of make your own transition shades. I can definitely see where some people are kind of frustrated, I don't know what to do with this thing other than, there's only one light pink transition shade and it doesn't really go with everything. So I'm definitely going to show you what I've been doing. I am not a makeup professional by any means. But I have played with this quite a bit because I did end up taking this to Vegas. I was telling you guys in that last video that I was thinking about it, and I did. Although I got quite sick in Vegas, I was only able to use it, I think, a total of 3 times. I have used it since being back as well. I've spent more love on this palette in the last month than any other one I've picked up or have owned in my collection. So I feel like I know how the shades work. And I'm still actually quite pleased with it. I'm still really, really glad that I picked it up. Just saying. So I'm gonna go into the color Oh My Gourd. Well, no, I think I used that one last time. So I'm gonna go into the color Pumpkin Spice, which is a brown. And I'm gonna go on a little bit of a smaller fluffy brush. And my favorite ones are the Morphe M506. Same one that I used last time. I'm just going to deepen this outer V up. This is gonna be like your typical, oh, you see how there's another color on that? That's not a clean one, sorry. Real life. I'm going to do like a stereotypical like fall look, just so everyone's aware. Okay, and then taking something a little bit on the stiffer side, this is a Morphe M169, and it's like a dome brush. I'm gonna go into the color Fall in Fudge, and just stamp that again on my outer V, but a little bit closer in to really darken that up. And I'm going about halfway in. Okay, and then working my steps backwards, I'm gonna take that small brush with pumpkin spice and just blend out that fudge color. Sorry, lighting just got real weird. It's funny because this eye takes more pigment, except for this is the only eye that will not take any pigment on just this little bit of skin. Okay, and then smoking it back out with the Pretty as a Pumpkin color. And then I'm gonna take that same one that I had Fallen Fudge, the very dark color, and I'm gonna put that just on my outer corner on my lower lash line. And that way it like very, it gives me that cat eye effect. Remember I was telling you guys, because I have such like lazy droopy eyes, I like to do the cat eye because it really brings my eyes upward. And then I'm gonna actually buff that out with Oh My Gourd, which is a little bit of a lighter color on my lower lash line, using another M441. That way it's just really, this is the M441 that had the orange on it, so that way I have a little bit of orange and the Oh My Gourd. Okay, and then, so I've used this golden pumpkin one. This is the one that I was like super excited about, and it looked like a different texture. I used it on my bare eyes, and honestly, it's not the best by itself. I'm not gonna lie and try and make you buy anything. Like, I don't get anything out of this. This was just requested for me to do a different look, and so I wanted to let you know the golden pumpkin, like, it goes on really, really pretty, but if you try and do anything after it, it does like blend away. Like if I went back in with my brown, which I will do because, you know, you don't want gold just like all over, or I don't want gold all over my whole entire lid. And so I just want to let you guys know that, it takes a little bit of finessing when you're using it by itself. I could probably use a glitter glue, but honestly, I'm the type that cannot be bothered by that. So see, it goes on really, really pretty. And I feel like no warm fall look is complete without a gold shadow. But just be wary of that. I still really, really enjoy this palette. I don't mind. And I feel like these type of shadows go on really, really great with your fingers, personally. But just be prepared to work at it a little bit. I just literally want this on my inner third, just to give it a little bit of sang. This one actually went on a lot better than the last time I used it. I think because I went a little bit out further than just the third. So this one actually is working a little bit better. All right. That was the Fallen Fudge. Now going in with the pumpkin spice. Very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. I like this a lot. I am going to do a wing liner just because I like a wing liner. Again, I feel like because of my eye shape, a lot of the times when I feel like taking the time to do it, it does draw my eyes back up. Also, I didn't do a wing liner last time, so I definitely want to this time. This is the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner plus Serum. And this is my favorite eyeliner. I can't find one to replace it that has a brush tip. Who on here knows of a company that makes a brush, not felt, not foam, none of that, like an actual brush in a pen eyeliner? Sound off down below. As much as I love this one, it's the best one that I found, but I just feel like it could be better because the brush picks up so much of the product and it's not as black as I would like it to be. Like, I want a dark matte black. And this one just does not do it for me. Especially on glitter shadows. Like, it looks nice and matte black right here, but when you get over to the shadow, like, you can even see on the brush that it has picked up the the gold eyeshadow. Okay, so since I showed you one on camera, I'm gonna do the other one off camera and throw on some mascara after I set my face with my Morphe spray. I put on a liner on my waterline that I'm dying over. So this is from the House of Lashes. I had a little like 3-pack of these. These were the House of Lashes Sephora collection. And so there's 3 different ones in 1 pack. This was on sale and it is like the most foil gold. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm sure you can in my waterline. Like, it's intense gold. I am dying. I'm dying. And so I also put on, obviously, some mascara. It's the original, my favorite mascara, the Sumptuous Infinite from Estee Lauder. They used to sell this at Sephora, and that's where I found it the very first time. And they no longer do at Sephora or Ulta. This is only sold on EsteeLauder.com, and I'm really sorry about that because I don't know. I'm sure that they do sales just as much. Like, they do like if you sign up on their website, you get a coupon. So sorry. So I want to do a really fun nude lip with you guys. I'm gonna do MAC Whirl. I really want to put on my pumpkin spice liquid lip that I was telling you about in the last video, but I wear it so much. I know this looks really, really dark and not very nude, but I'm gonna top it with a gloss, which I never do on top of lipsticks. And I didn't even tell you what that was. It didn't light it up as much as I thought, but I don't mind a dark nude. This is the Cafe Press Bite Beauty, what's the real name? Bite Beauty French Press. What did I say? Cafe Press. Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Flat White. I seriously want like 8 more of these. I don't even know if there are that many, but there's quite a few colors of this, and I freaking love them. I never do a glossy lip. If you guys, I mean, I haven't done a glossy lip in a long time. I've been really into my matte liquid lips again. I love this. I love this so much. It just screams fall to me. The MAC Whirl on itself is like definitely 90s grunge, but with the gloss, I don't know. I feel like it definitely adds a little bit to the look. Here is the eyeshadow up close, just so you guys get an idea of like the coloration. It's a little bit sloppy on this eye. I hate my right eye. I hate it so much. This is my lazy eye, and I don't know. I feel like the left eye always looks a little bit better with blending and everything. That's the one that takes some more pigment. It has like that little spot right here on the corner of my eye that doesn't take any, but when I put eyeliner on, you can't even see it. So that will be it for today's video. Like I said, you guys definitely requested this in the previous Too Faced Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice collection video, so I hope it helped you with some techniques and stuff like that. Again, I'm no professional beauty guru or anything like that. I enjoy makeup very much, and this is just how I apply and figure some different things out. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any other requests from different palettes that you would like me to give it a shot and show you guys some different things, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Brittany Cocco. You are watching the Cocco channel. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!